Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do a video response to Tony the Technician's channel for his giveaway. You get a choice of hats and some pliers and something else, but going for those Nipex Cobra pliers, those things are pretty awesome, so hopefully I win this. So he wants a toolbox tour, so I'll do like workshop area here, the bench, pegboard, and the toolboxes. So we'll start up here, just power supply, soldering iron, level, speed square. On the pegboard here, I have some cheapy Harbor Freight wrenches. It's just used when I'm on the bench. Milwaukee spline drive nut drivers. They're okay. They're pretty good, actually. 1,000 volt Pittsburgh electrician pliers. They're all right. Stubbies, bit driver. Some cable cutters. Wis, tin snips. These are Harbor Freight's new Vise grips, Bremen branded. They actually seem pretty nice compared to their Pittsburgh stuff. I'm not sure if it's any better than the actual Vise grips, but they seem better than their other stuff. Some old Fuller USA groove joints, the Pittsburgh set, some hammers, some framing hammers, ball peen, and dead blow, big Klein flathead, some Torx, Robinsons, random screwdrivers, Pittsburgh stuff, pliers, yellow and black are the electrician ones, just a 7-piece Harbor Freight. These are their new Doyle brand ones. They're actually the nicest I've ever seen from Harbor Freight. So maybe more stuff coming on that. Some wire strippers, the normal stuff. Bench here. I got a Vise here, a Yost Vise. I recently just purchased this, so yeah. Over here, just got random sockets and wrenches in there, extra stuff. Some Cat 5 cable and 18-volt Craftsman drill and light down there. Toolbox here, U.S. General 4-drawer tool cart. I'll go ahead and pull that out. Unlock it for you. It's not unlocked. I leave the lid down on it because I want to slide it under here and still use the drawers, so that would be why. Up top here is half-inch stuff, half-inch metric, half-inch standard. I'm missing quite a bit half-inch stuff, but I don't use it that often. 3/8, Husky, Craftsman, a mix of that kind of stuff. I don't really have any Pittsburgh sockets, just mainly Craftsman and Husky. Metric 3/8, standard 3/8, 1/4-inch metric and standard, and then the wobble extensions from Harbor Freight. Some lights, magnetic trays, just various assortment of screwdrivers here. Husky, Pittsburgh, the cheaper stuff. Got a swivel spark plug socket, Duralast from AutoZone. 5/8 spark plug socket. First drawer here is pliers used in cars and stuff. These are those Vise grips I was talking about from Harbor Freight. I like them because they're long nose ones, but they don't grip that good. Pittsburgh pliers, the long nose ones, some groove joint, some curved jaw locking pliers, and some slip joints. This is ratchet drawer and adjustable wrenches. Stubby Pittsburgh Pros, Husky half-inch, the swivel head Pittsburgh Pro. I like this ratchet a lot. This is my go-to. Husky 3/8, 72 tooth, and the composite Pittsburgh Pro 72 tooth ratchet, 3/8, and 1/4-inch Husky. It's my ratchets. Third drawer here is wrenches, full Husky set except for a 20mm because they don't sell it. And I don't want to get another one because it fits this rack. I like that set a lot. This is the flex head ratcheting wrenches from Pittsburgh. I do like these wrenches. They come in handy quite a bit. Missing 11mm, but so 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Standards, Pittsburgh and Stanley mix. I don't use it too often, so I don't need the super nice wrenches, but eventually I'll get nicer ones. Bottom drawer is more sockets. Got some Craftsman again, Craftsman and Husky. Standard, longs, some metric set Craftsman's 12-point stuff that I don't use very often. My only snap-on tool, snap-on 3/4 inch impact socket. The Nico Hex metric and tamper-proof Torx came in a little blue case, but I took it out and put it on these socket rails. I do use these quite a bit for working on bikes and Volkswagens and stuff. It works pretty dang good. Pry bars from Ace, nothing too good really. Husky Hex, I don't know what you call them. Allen keys. There we go. 1/2-inch torque wrench. The Pittsburgh offset wrenches. I bought these on sale. They're okay. The breaker bar, 25-inch Pittsburgh. It's okay. Down here, just wire, electrical stuff, outlets, stuff like that. Craftsman pass-through socket set. So that's that drawer, or that box. I do like this box. I have a review on it on my channel. Big box here. Up top, just parts bins, bolts, screws, nuts, stuff like that. Chemicals, suction cups, funnels. Okay. It's actually 2 boxes here, or 3, but this Craftsman set and then a Husky on top of it. Up top here, just drywall screws, tape, gloves, random stuff. First drawer is definitely the junk drawer. Just random stuff in here. Files, screwdrivers, feeler gauges, tire gauges, battery terminal cleaners, center punches, markers, pens, flashlights, random stuff that doesn't really have its own drawer. Next drawer is a little more organized. Screwdriver bits, cobalt ratcheting screwdriver. It's pretty good. Nut driver bits for 1/4 inch. Micro bit screwdriver set. Just pretty much normal screwdriver bit stuff, security stuff. Third drawer is other screwdrivers and picks, longer ones. A lot of this stuff's Pittsburgh, Husky, like I said. I have a lot of that stuff. Some Accelite stuff, really small, precision ones. Yeah, so first drawer here is pliers and crimpers. So 8P8C crimper, RJ11 crimper, slip joint Pittsburgh ones. These come in handy every once in a while. They're kind of cheap, but it's okay. Coax crimper, old style coax. Cable cutters, small cable cutters. Some mini pliers, same as this, just the Pittsburgh set. They work okay for precision stuff. Third drawer is extra wrenches, metric Pittsburgh set, and the Craftsman. They're the Japanese ones, not USA. I got these from my uncle. I use them every once in a while. They're longer than the the Pittsburgh set, so they do come in handy. A little nicer. In here, drill bits, wire brush for the drill. This is my 19.2 volt torque drill. I use this all the time. Battery sucks on it, but it does come in handy when you need it. Next one is electrical, kind of more of a junk drawer too. Everything's pretty much electrical except for pegboard stuff. Solder, ATX stuff for power supplies, multimeter leads, crimps there, and twist-on stuff, coax and RG45 connectors, banana plugs, and alligator clips, fuses, some crimpers, heat shrink, zip ties, my engraver, some batteries, cheapy Harbor Freight multimeter, and a nicer Velman one. It's still not as nice as my Fluke, but it works. Bottom drawer here is just random stuff. Socket trace, or socket organizers, laptop for doing diagnostic and YouTube and stuff like that. Bottom drawer is pretty empty. My construction bag and my electrician bag. I just put electrical stuff in there. Just go-to travel tool bag instead of a box. I actually like this creeper. I know Tony the technician does not like this creeper. I believe it's the same one. I'm pretty light, I guess, so I weigh 150, 160, so it doesn't really bend on me, but I've only had it a month or so. So That might be why. I do like it though for like 20 bucks. Last thing is I just got these today. The electrician screwdriver set, 1000 volt rated. I do like these. Got them for like 8 bucks because they're missing one of them. So that's what I got there. I don't think I missed anything there, but that should be my Toolbox workbench pegboard tour thing, guys. So Tony the technician, if you did like it, make sure to put it in the giveaway, please. I'd love those Cobra pliers and a hat. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.